Chapter 4. Benefits. Importance of biodiversity. Conservation of biodiversity. Meaning of biodiversity. Biodiversity is defined as variety and variability among living entities. The ecological complexes they occur, and which. The importance of biodiversity or 1. It balances all the ecosystem. 2. It develops plants and grass, and 3. It improves all the natural resources. 4. It gives a good nature and environment. 5. It gives good shelter to all birds and animals. 6. It helps for our sustainable lifestyle. It improves groundwater level. Levels. Types of biodiversity. 1. Genetic diversity. 2. Species diversity. 3. Ecosystem diversity. 1. Genetic diversity, the variation that exists among different individuals by gender or genetic diversity in biodiversity is called genetic DX. 1. Paddy, 40,000, 2. Mango, 1,500, etc. 2. Species diversity, the among different and X variation that exists. Species by DFF individuals in biodiversity is called species diversity. Felies, at birds, etc. 2. 3. Ecosystem diversity, the variation that exists among different ecosystem and in biodiversity is called ecosystem diversity. X. Food chain, water cycle, etc. Biogeographical classification. Zones of biodiversity in India. 1. Trans-Himalayan region. 2. The Himalayan region, the Gangetic Plains. 3. 4. The Northeastern region, the Desert Zone. 5. 8. The Semi-Arid Zone. The Delan Plateau. The Western Ghats, the coastal zones. 10. The Azlands. Classmate. 1. Trans-Himalayan region. Flora, plants, deodar tree, pine, etc. Fauna, animals, deer, leopard, etc. Show. 2. The Himalayan region. Flora, plants, deodar, acacia, etc. Fauna, animals. 3. The Gangetic Plain. Flora, plants, banyan tree, alaka. Fauna, animals, crocodile, fishes. 4. The Northeastern region. Flora, plants, bamboo, tea plants, etc. Fox. Fauna, animals, elephants, Venka bar eti. 5. The Desert Zone. Flora, plants, dates, cactus, etc. Fauna, animals, camel, desert cats, etc. 6. The Semi-Arid Zone. Flora, plants, grange, orange, lemon, etc. Fauna, animals, lion, leopard. 7. The Deccan Plateau, Ben. Flora, plants, banana, banyan tree, et. Fauna, animals, elephants, leopard, et. 8. The Western Ghats. Flora, plants, mango, gora, et. Fauna, animals, elephant, leopard, etc. 19. The coastal zones. Flora, plants, coconut tree, papaya tree, etc. Animals, whales, shark, etc. Fauna. 10. The islands. Flora, plants, pepper, chlors, etc. Fauna, animals, lion, shake, etc. Endangered species. I. A species is said to be endangered when its number are reduced severely, that it faces the danger of becoming extinct. Endangered flora, plants. 1. Umbrella tree. 2. Holy bead tree. Endangered fauna animals, birds. Birds. 1. Owl. 2. Peacock. Animals. 2. King cobra. 1. Tiger. Classmate. Mark. Endemic species. Endemic species are those that are found in just in the world, one region and nowhere else. Example, kangaroos are originally endemic to Australia. India as a mega-diversity nation. 7. There are nearly 10,000 varieties of insects found in India. X. Bed bug, grasshopper. 2. More than 2,500 varieties of fishes found in India. X. Goldfish, salmon fish, etc. Varieties of. 3. Nearly 1,225 birds in India. X. Indian roller, pigeon, etc. 4. There are 19,400 varieties of flowering plants. X. Jasmine, rose, etc. 5. There are 1,235 varieties of non-flowering plants. X. Bamboo, grass, etc. 16. There are nearly 390 varieties of mammals. X. Low, liane, etc. 7. More than 390 varieties of sharks and whales found. H. India. X. Killer shark, fin whale, ethat. Hot sports of biodiversity. Meaning of INT sports. Any biogeographical area having 0.5% of world species. Such places are called hotspots. There are 35 hotspots in the world, and there are 4 hotspots in India. India's hotspots region. 1. The Western Himalayas. 2. The Western Ghats. 3. Indo-Burma. 9. Sundaland. 1. The Eastern Himalayas. The Eastern Himalayas hotspot lies northeast India and central and eastern parts of Nepal. 2. The Western Ghats. The Western Ghats cover most of the deciduous forests and rain forests. 3. Indo-Burma. The Indo-Burma region is stretched over 3,000 square kilometers. 4. Sundaland. The Sundaland hotspot lies in Southeast Asia and covers Singapore. Classmate. Man-wildlife conflicts. Meaning. The resultant of negative impacts and internations between wild animals and human biodiversity leads to wildlife conflicts. Man. Reasons. 1. By acquiring forest lands. 2. By rapid urbanization. 3. By overspeed of vehicles. 4. By hunting animals. 5. By overutilization of forest resources. 6. The female tiger attacks humans to protect their cubs. Conflicts. 1. In Orissa. More than 195 people killed by wild elephants. For its retaliation, the villagers killed 98 elephants. 2. In Sundarban Forest. More than 100 people killed by Bengal tigers. For its retaliation, the people killed 30 tigers. 3. In Gujarat, 28 people killed by Asiatic lions. 4. In Western Ghats region, so many people killed and affected baby snake bites. Methods of biodiversity conservation. 1. In situ conservation. 2. Ex situ conservation. A. In situ conservation, within habitat. Conservation of wild species, nature resource eat in their natural surroundings. Without destruction and a biodiversity is called X. A. National parks. 5. Natural reserves. J. Wildlife sanctuaries. A. Bird sanctuaries. 2. Ex situ conservation, above habitat. Conservation of wild species, nature resource eat in outer areas without destruction. Ma biodiversity is called X. 9. Zoological gardens. B. Botanical gardens. Aquariums. Gene bank. Mate Delhi. Page. E-values or services of biodiversity. Meaning. Values or services can be defined as worth, price or wealth, with respect to the human beings. 1. Consumptive use value services. The valve used for our daily consumption. X. Food, water, etc. 2. Productive use valve services. The valve made by species and their products to production. X. Silk from 848 silkworm. Wool from sheep. 3. Social valve service. The value associated with few religious and social beliefs. X. Neem tree, people tree. 4. Ethical values services. The value or service with few ethics and morality in a biodiversity. X. Do not hunt animals. 5. The seasonal value services. The valve or service only with few options in a biodiversity. X. To control pollution. 2. To protect endangered and endemic species.